Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you are interested on how I got this simple backdrop done, stay tuned. All the materials I use will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. This is some wallpaper that I had gotten off Amazon about a year ago. So I'm taking the leftover and that is going to be the foundation of the backdrop. So you'll see me here just pinning it in place, just making sure that I have it as straight as possible. I couldn't really tell if it was going to be a perfect rectangle, but I did my best. So again, it was scraps, so it's not on one continuous roll. So here I am, I ran out of a continuous piece, so I'm just now placing up the leftovers. And later on in the video, you'll see how I ended up fixing that and making it work so you couldn't even tell that there were pieces patched together to make the full brick wall. So I went ahead and I applied the wallpaper onto the wall and I ran out here. So what I did was I just stacked them as best as I could. I found some scraps at the bottom and I don't want that showing through the pictures. I will be editing it, but I just don't want to do too much editing. So I decided to use one of my sheer curtains to go over it as like part of the backdrop. So hopefully that'll, help that out a little bit. We'll see. And plus I feel like the cream goes much better with the colors that I'm using. Excuse the background mess. I feel like the wallpaper is a little too stark anyways. So we'll see. So now I'm just using my tacks to hang up the sheer curtain. So it looks a little bootleg, but I have this lace right here. Now, being a designer, the perks of throwing things like this together is having random fabric lying around. So I have, I want to say this is probably about 4 to 5 yards of lace. So I'm about to drape it. I have no clue. I'm just freehanding everything. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I think it's gonna be cute. So let's do it. My darling. Well, I think I'm gonna hang these up first. So this is my first faux mirrored, just a bunch of Dollar Tree frames that I hot glued together. I will be uploading a quick tutorial on how I got that done. I want it hanging here. So this is what we have so far. It's starting to give a little bit. I am low-key feeling the shabby, chicy vibe that I wanted. So I'm a little excited about that. What I might do though is I might remove the glass panes out of the frames, because as you can see, you see the reflection of the ring light in the back. And we don't want that in my pictures, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. But yeah, it's coming together, y'all. So I went ahead and removed the panes. I like the look much better. And I decided to go ahead and string through the fabric or the curtain through the open pane to give it this, like, I don't know, just rugged look or shabby, very cottage styled look. I think this is coming along nicely. So what I've left is the flowers and the dusty rose. So we'll see how I'll place that. So this is another 6 yards, to be honest. So this I'm gonna do some damage with. Good damage. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a way that'll help give me that drape, and then pin it as it's pleated. Guys, it's raining on my birthday. I'm so sad. All right. I don't think I should have it drip like that. And down. I don't know. So I got it together, y'all. I found out how I best thought suit my idea and just the frame of the whole backdrop. You see, it's not too wide, but I was loving the way I draped this. It was so cute. Is it giving? Is she giving? She's giving very, oh, through the window. I have no clue what I meant by that, but peep the little British accent. I'm just gonna string through the vein. Voila, she's finished, y'all. You know, a couple of more adjustments, but the backdrop part is complete. I love it. Now I'm laying some extra fabric on the ground, just to help with the whole aesthetic, but I didn't really like what it was doing. It was really see-through, so I decided to just go and add a comforter, an old comforter down first, and then add on the other material, and it definitely completed the look. When it's done, I have to do my hair, do my nails real quick, get snatched, and we're gonna shoot. And she's done, y'all, and I'm so in love. Tell me what you guys think. Wait till you see the pictures. Here are a few of my favorite pictures from this photo shoot, and I think I completely killed it. These are edited versions, but yeah, they came out so beautiful. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.